Hi, my name is Joe Andrade. Live off of Terracotta. It's on the far west side of San Antonio, Texas. Doing a testimonial for the Blackbelt AC. The problems that we were having before I made the phone call was our house never cooled. We could turn it all the way down to the 60s, and it never seemed to cool. Upstairs was always hot, man. Summer times we couldn't even stay upstairs. Our energy bill was just over $300 during the summertime. I was spending a lot of money having a technician come out here, nickel and diming everything, just putting band-aids. Finally, the AC went out at the worst possible time, just before my youngest daughter was born. I called Gabe over there at Blackbelt. He came, within a matter. The very next day he came. He had a technician come out here, look at everything. Actually had somebody design the system. The craftsmanship, man, it's like night and day. I have no problems recommending Gabe and Blackbelt AC to anyone. Did an outstanding job, outstanding customer service. My bill for this past summer is the first summer with the new unit. It was less than $200. I don't think it went north of $180. And I never had to turn the AC up. I think we kept it at about 75 there in June, July, August time frame. Upstairs, man, it gets cold. It's freezing cold upstairs. And it's an outstanding service, outstanding product that he installed, outstanding craftsmanship. I'm a customer for life.